Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. When it comes to wedding decorations, the options and the money it takes to pull off a reception might seem overwhelming, but we are here to tell about that. Your wedding reception decor doesn't need to be complicated, and it doesn't need to break the bank. With some creative substitutions and a focus on the overall feel rather than the tiny details, you will find that decorating your wedding reception on a budget is actually easier than you think. Here are our best tips to make your vision come to life while keeping your wallet happy. Use items from your own home: puffs, pillows, blankets, chairs, rugs, wall hangings, all things that can easily be transported from your home to your reception venue. We have even seen couples rent a moving truck to haul couches and tables for use in their venue. Look around your house and get creative with ways you could use some of decor you already on to decorate your wedding reception. In addition to saving money, you guarantee your wedding will feel like you. Repurpose your ceremony decor. Reusing decor elements throughout your day is a major time saver, money saver, and stress saver. Your bridesmaids buckets can easily become your table centerpieces. Your ceremony backdrop will look gorgeous behind your cake table. You could even use your ceremony seating as part of your reception seating. There is no reason you should have to spend money on duplicate items, especially if your budget is tight. Use lots of candles. It might sound silly, but never underestimate the power of some good fashion candles. Low lighting scattered across a room can really set the mood and give the entire space a pretty glow. Plus, if you get candles in various shapes, sizes, and heights, if you can add visual interest to your decor for basically nothing. We love the ideas of mixing and matching candles and lanterns in votive holders, in candlesticks, and on their own for even more depth and texture. Think outside the box for centerpieces. There's no rule that says your table centerpieces have to be floral arrangement or that flowers have to be included at all. Books, mismatched glassware, lamps, lanterns, and geometric gold table decor are all great centerpieces. Look around your house. Are there things on your tables that you could use for your centerpieces? With a little creativity, the possibilities are endless. Hang lights anywhere and everywhere. It's amazing how lighting can truly transform a space, which is a huge plus when decorating on a budget. Whether your wedding reception will be taking place outside or inside, you can instantly add romance and coziness with strategically hung twinkle lights or cafe lights if your wedding reception will be outside. Wrap lights around trees, wrap them like a canopy between branches, or light up walkways if your wedding reception will be inside. Hang lights from the ceiling, lay them down the center of every table, or incorporate them into potted plants around the perimeter of the space. Fill out your decor with pretty greenery. We have said it once and we will say it again and again. Greenery is the unsung hero of wedding decor. Whether it's garlands of eucalyptus, giant tropical leaves, potted ferns, or olive branch wreaths, greenery has the power to add life and a sense of natural elegance to wedding decor without the large piece tag of flowers. The best part is that you can add greenery just about anywhere and it will look great on the back of chairs and down the center of table, even on the ground. Rent as much as possible. Wedding rentals are a budget-conscious couple's best friend. Seriously, you can rent almost anything for your wedding these days at a fraction of the cost of buying it straight out. As a bonus, you will save time and money not having to find everything yourself, and you don't have to worry about transportation on the day of the wedding. If you still need convincing, check our video and take the ideas. For items you can't rent, shop second-hand. While you should be able to rent most items for your wedding reception, there will be unique items that will simply can't rent rather than buy those items. New, save some money by shopping second-hand store. You would be amazed what you can find at your local thrift stores or even flea markets, and nobody will be able to tell the difference while you are shopping. Keep an eye out of pieces that you would want to keep for your home. Make big statements with select pieces. The little details tend to be the ones that add up very quickly, so rather than to try to incorporate a dozen different design elements into your wedding reception decor, focus on one or two big items that will have a large impact on the look and feel of the space. It could be an eye-catching ceremony backdrop behind the sweetheart table, or maybe a floral wall. By focusing on one or two big items, you will be able to create that wow moment for your guest without breaking the bank. Choosing the perfect wedding decorations for your reception can feel like a never-ending task. The right decor will enhance your venue and carry out your wedding theme. But with plenty of wedding decoration ideas to browse online, it's hard to narrow down the best of your style. If you are not sure how to decide, we're here to help. Create a romantic ambience with string lights hung from the ceilings of your reception space. Or if you're hosting an outdoor wedding, weave lights through trees and branches for a whimsical vibe. Creative lighting is one of the biggest wedding trend of 2021, so it's one wedding decoration idea not to overlook. String lights along with votive candles, neon signs, or tea lights can create a welcoming visual aesthetic that transforms your space. Rent hanging lights from a local vendor or invest in affordable sets from a local hardware store to make it a DIY project. Lighting is a key detail that will accept your reception venue, and of all the best wedding decor ideas, is one of our favorites. When it comes to wedding decoration ideas, less can be more. Table centerpieces are an important component of our reception, but they can be overpowering if they are not proportional to the space. Guests like to mingle at their habits, so towering arrangement might be distracting. Simple wedding table decorations can make just as much of a statement. Minimalist floral cluster, delicate vases, candles, and table runners can all serve as impactful centerpieces. When planning your wedding reception decorations, be mindful of your space and how your centerpieces can complement it. Give your guests plenty of seating options with a cozy lounge area. Mismatched seating is an upcoming wedding trend that easily attainable at your reception. Some rental companies may offer chairs, chaises, or couches to enhance your reception space. Your venue might also have alternative furniture available to use as decoration. Upgrade the space with thoughtful accents like throw blankets, printed pillows, and textured props to invite guests to sit together. Then they are not dancing. Think of your lounge area as an extension of your wedding theme. Don't underestimate the power of fabric. Draped ceiling can add a hint of glamorous opulence to your venue. To make your wedding reception like a fairy tale, hang eco-friendly biodegradable paper lantern throughout the space. Custom cocktails are a creative way to personalize your reception. What better way to show off your personality than by serving your go-to beverage? If you are planning to offer custom drinks, use a piece of art to display the beverage of choice. So there are many ideas for you in this video. You can adopt any of it, and if you enjoyed the video, then like it, share it, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.